Hello guys, so today is launch of Aura and she's pretty much nervous because she's going to close 2 clients today and
And this is going to be my first deal.
yeah,
Both of them together.
both of them together in Dubai and just 3 months, not even
No,
3 months,
2 months. Not even 2 months, 1.5 months.
2 months. So while we were having a conversation, she told me that she will make at least 100k before the year end. She told me that she will give us party in Burj Khalifa after she does 200k by
Same.
the end of this year. And I have never seen someone more cheaper than this. So I said her that by the end of
I only
by the
set
end of December
achievable
2025,
targets. No pressure on myself.
I told her that I could get a Lamborghini myself.
So now we are competing that who will earn 2,000.
200,000.
Yeah, 200,000
Yeah.
dirhams first.
So
If he does that, even if I close deal, he gonna give me party, or else I'll give it to him.
so 200k is approx $55,000. So yeah, the competition is on. Today is April 26th, I guess.
24th.
24th April 2025, and the challenge
Let's wait
begins.
till December 2025.
Yeah, now we'll record another similar video in December 2025.
No, soon, to calculate how close we are to our goal. Guys, updated.
Yeah, keep you guys updated because it will hold
How
us up.
close we are to achieve our goals.
Yeah, and it will also hold us accountable, and I'm really glad that
And so that's how you will know that is success that easy in Dubai or not. You can make more than a crore.
it is
in a year.
it is easy if you put in efforts like her, because company
Hard work,
average
not hard work.
company average is like around 120 calls in a company, and she kept it as bare minimum for herself and doing at least 350 a day. So yeah,
ये सब नहीं बताना है.
it won't come easy, but
ये सब नहीं बताना है. ये मेरे hard work है.
it won't come easy, but if you put in this work, people will call it easy. So guys, here we are. Current situation, tell them your current situation. Current savings, financial situations. Zero.
Yeah.
Same for me, but like generating over.
Just survival.
Yeah, like just taking care of basic needs, not much savings, and
Not much
Clearing
savings,
of the
zero
debt.
savings.
main for me, clearing of the debt, which was a huge thing for this year since I moved to Dubai. And yeah, like for me, I can say 1.5k dollars.
I guess every second person
And
who
for
comes
you?
to Dubai, I think every second person who comes to Dubai, for the first year it's just that.
Yeah.
You just keep going down and down with loans and monies and all this thing. So I don't think it's easy to save money until and unless you really work hard for something.
So pretty much it. In 8 months, we have cleared that phase. Like for me, I have cleared that phase in 8 months, and I'm already above my debts. And yeah, I think same is for her. Like she might have 1.5k, 2k dollars.
$30,000.
No, not for saving.
Saving nothing. Zero.
Saving or income, monthly income,
Monthly income. 5,000.
which amounts to 1.5k dollars.
No.
Yes.
2,000.
No. Yeah. So same for me. Nothing much crazy, but we'll do serious numbers soon. Yalla.
Habibi, bye-bye.
So guys, everything is in front of you. As Ritu mentioned that The challenge is to do $50,000 before $55,000 before December 2025, and I am pretty confident that I can achieve it, and most probably I will surpass it. Hopefully, what I have planned, it will be 2-3 folds of what the goal is, also keeping the bare minimum in sight. So the $50,000, 200,000 dirhams, I will be documenting everything. I really like this kind of lifestyle. I love to share these thoughts, the journey. I want to document everything, but I get stuck because again I haven't made it my priority, and I have so many questions what kind of content I will post. Mostly it will be around overcoming the challenges that I face in between and solving them and sharing those problems and the solution with you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. And I'm making a commitment here that I am going to stick with this for next 5 years. I will try to post one video every single week, no matter what. The niche will depend mainly on self-improvement, a vlog maybe, and the challenges and updates that are on the way to our goal of $50,000 before, let's say, 25th December 2025. So before Christmas of this year, hopefully we have done $50,000 in profit, not revenue, in profit. But let's see how this thing goes. And yeah, as I said, I am committing to this lifestyle because I really like, I want to make a fortune out of it, like travel world, travel lot of places, and I will always be on the wheels because I like this kind of lifestyle. And let's see how it goes. See you.